Hi, this is Bill Guthrie. Thanks for tuning in. This is a quick, informal demo video for WP Ad Slinger. And this is a pretty cool little plugin that I'm working on with my partner, Jay Venka. What this little guy does is it puts Facebook style ads on your on any WordPress site. So it's a really great way to create an additional revenue stream and to monetize your site in a way that's a little bit more covert. And you'll see what I mean in just a second. So again, this is it's a plugin, and you're going to plug it into an unlimited number of sites that you own. And so I'm going to skip the actual installation part of it. But once you plug it in or once you install it, just like anything else, you're going to come in here and you'll activate it. And you can see right here it's activated. And once you activate it, it creates a little drop-down menu here. So let's go in here and you'll see right away, this is on a demo site, by the way. This is a really, really simple process. Now I've gone ahead, just like a TV cooking show or something. I've gone ahead and prepared my ingredients, if you will, so to save some time. But what we'll do is we're going to go ahead and start to create some ads. And I've already put together some copy over here, and I have some images already. So let's get started here. And I figured let's start with a guitar. And so this may be something I might be promoting over at Amazon or something. So I'm going to grab this right here. First, what I'll do is I'm going to say Les Paul guitar. I've already done this. And there is my ad copy, right? So 1955 Les Paul. You can see right here we have our preview, and it starts right away to build the ad for us so we know exactly what it looks like. And my description, I'm going to say... save on classic guitars and gear. Obviously, you can say whatever you feel like. And then let's go ahead and upload a file. And I'm going to choose this guitar right here. And when I pull it in, you can see it pops right in there. And I'm going to go ahead and it will automatically resize this, and then you can crop it. And so that's what it's going to look like. Really simple. And then right here I do my landing page URL. So this would be my affiliate link. This is the link that when they click it, I want them to obviously that's where I want to get my credit. So I'm going to put my affiliate link in here. So for the time being and for our purposes, I've just gone ahead. This would take us directly over to it's not an affiliate link, just right over to Amazon. So click on that guy and I'll hit save ad. And you can see it pops right in there. So let's do another one. And in this case, I wanted to play around with possibly getting fans back over to our Facebook page, right? So in here, I would say like lab Facebook, okay? And I would ask a question of, I love Labradors. And I would just use Facebook as my primary subdomain, and I would say check out our Labradors page. The point of this is you can truly create ads wherever you want. They don't always have to be offers. They can just be wherever you want to move traffic to. So I'll put my landing page in there, and we'll go over here to the file upload, and we'll choose little puppy. That's my dog Ranger. He's now about 90 pounds, so this is when he was just a little guy. And we'll go ahead and go in here and crop our image like so. That looks good to me. And there he is. And we'll hit save. So the next thing that we do is what's cool about this is that it is a widget that's created, right? So the Facebook ads, as we're calling it, is the plugin. And then it creates a widget. And so let's go over here to our widgets. And what we're going to do is, and here I'll just remove this so that you can see how it works. So you can see it's right here. So Facebook ads, and I'm going to grab this guy and I can put it wherever I want. So I like him up at the top, but you could move it anywhere that you would want on your, within your right-hand column. So this is where we're going to give the widget some information. So let's say that we want 3 ads to be shown in our in a row, and you'll see what I mean here in a second. And let's say we want it to scroll, and by scrolling, what that really means is it's the ability for the ads to refresh, so that while let's say someone's reading a post or something, and they're just kind of still and not doing anything on your page, we can continue to show them new ads. So we have 4 ads that are in there currently. We'll show 3. We'll scroll them. And let's say that we want them to refresh every 6 seconds, and we will go from the top, and you'll see what I mean there in a second. We'll hit save. Now let's go over here to our page, and I will refresh this, and you'll see it has 3 pages. Oh, right here I don't see a link in there, so let me fix that real quick. I messed up, but it shows just how easy it is to edit. So we'll go in here, and where was the link that I was going to use? Music 123. Okay, and let's put that subdomain right there, and we'll save, and we'll go back over here and hit refresh. And there it is. Okay, cool. So what you see right here, these look just like the ads in Facebook. And what happens is I'm over here and I'm reading, and I've got my information over here, and I'm seeing these ads. So really close. They're going to be great for click through, and then obviously wherever I choose to send the traffic, that's exactly where it'll go. Let's see what that looks like. Oops. If I click over there, well, that's actually an internal link that Jay set up. If I go over here to this guy, there it's going to take me into Amazon. If I go to the Labradors page, this is my lab page, and there he is. And so that's really it. It's incredibly simple. Let me show you one more thing here, and this is pretty cool. So what it'll do is it tracks your impressions, it tracks your clicks. Don't worry about these numbers because this is an internal site for us, so we haven't sent any traffic to it. And then it'll calculate your CTR. So what you're able to do, and what I encourage you to do, is really think about the kind of offers that are going to be relevant to the topic of your site. And I would create a bunch of these things. Again, you saw it only takes a few seconds to actually produce the ad, and I would put a lot of ads in here and see what happens. And then once you see what your impressions are relative to your clicks, you're going to start to see the ones that are working, the ones that aren't working, and then you want to just create more of those kind of ads. So that's it for now. Thank you so much. WP Ad Slinger goes live November 7th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, and I hope to see you there and hope to see you on the inside. Thanks again. Bye-bye.